Alright, so our first mods that we're going to do is obviously the high flow K&N air filter, and then get rid of the charcoal filter inside this box, which I can almost assume is going to be done with the mileage on this car. But look how good this engine bay cleaned up. Not bad. I mean, seriously. Then, got the Dyna camber plates, and you can see they are offset, which will move our struts in on both sides and giving us some more camber, because we're going to be tucking a 225 with higher under this fender, which has already been rolled slightly, and I'm going to roll that sucker flat with the fender roller. So let's see what's inside. Hey, still the carbon filter, and looks like a Fram replacement air filter. Pretty dirty. Seen a lot worse, but definitely needs to be changed. So we'll be removing this carbon filter and throwing in this K&N filter for our factory high flow replacement. Okay, to remove the carbon filter, very, very simple process. You take a razor knife and you cut it out. I'm not even joking. It's just pretty much a paper element, and then I took like a Bic lighter and I actually burnt off the edge. Took a wire brush and then brushed off anything that could potentially suck into the motor, because that is the orientation of your airbox. Fresh air in through the filter, and then this will sit like so. So you want to make sure that nothing debris-wise is on this side of your airbox. That is how you do a high-flow airbox for practically, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks for the filter. Really easy mod. Alright, the airbox is installed. Really easy job. Less than an hour, and then why mess up what BMW already spent so much money to create? It already has pretty much a cold air intake. The K&N filter is all you need to really make this airbox flow. It's a great design. It's actually pretty big for the size of the motor. I wouldn't change it. Leave it as is. And it could be in my head, but when you crack the throttle, it does seem have a good little induction sound, maybe a little more than it did before. I mean, it should, right? If this video helps, please smash that like button, consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching, guys.